Winter is coming, and your fence might not survive it. Snow, wind, and freezing temperatures can cause serious damage if you're not prepared. Let's break down 5 essential steps to winter-proof your fence before it's too late. Start by inspecting your fence. Look for cracked boards, loose nails, leaning posts, and rusted hardware. Even small problems can get worse when moisture freezes and expands. Next, trim any overhanging branches near your fence. When snow builds up, it adds weight that can snap limbs, and take your fence down with them. Clean your fence to remove dirt, mold, and algae, then apply a waterproof sealant. This helps keep water out and prevents warping, cracking, and decay during winter freezes. Your fence posts hold everything together. Check if they wobble or lean. If they do, reinforce them with gravel, concrete, or compacted soil before the frost sets in. Avoid piling snow against your fence. The added weight plus melting and refreezing can weaken the structure and lead to long-term damage. The biggest mistake homeowners make? Waiting until spring to fix problems. Most winter fence damage is preventable if you act now. Want expert help getting your fence ready for winter? Call Caan Fence Inc. at 781-767-3596 or visit caanfenceinc.com. Protect your fence before it's too late.